Hello again, welcome to another video. Back in the cabin. I've just done a video on the Dreamcast arcade, Alien vs Predator. Great game from Night into Dream. I just thought I'd show you how because I've got the arcade stick set up now, I just thought I'd show you how I change it now into a driving cab. So let's have a go on Crazy Taxi. So what I'll do is, I'll basically unplug this, get the door out, you unplug the controller. That can move out of the way now. So what I have to do is, it's like a cradle I built here, and you have to turn it round. It's got like put locking blocks to lock it in. So I'll unscrew that. I could actually come up with a system to do clips, so it just clips in really and locks in. But you use what you've got, don't you? Alright, so then that will slide out. You turn it round, so it's got locking blocks there, and that will just lock in the steering wheel. And I'll screw that back in. Screw the side back in. It's only 2 screws that just stop, hold it. That's it. And then what we'll do then, move that screwdriver out of the way. Here, steering wheel's up here. We'll get that. I ain't used this now, so it locks in. I ain't used it in a while, so what we'll do is we'll just give the end of this a bit of a clean, so it makes contact. That'll go back down there, goes through the side, there's a little hole, what I drilled out. That'll go in, so that should be set up now, so we'll turn that on. So I'll get this chair set up here. Oops, I'll bang you on everything as it goes past. So move that chair right here. So that's the steering wheel setting, and I'll show you what I do. So we'll get a game. Yeah, we'll do Crazy Taxi, which, yeah, that's it. I've got the power case up there, but it's battered. So I've got a few versions of Crazy Taxi. We'll put that in the Dreamcast, I'll open it up. And then it goes from an arcade style arcade cab to a driving one. So that's in. That'll be loading up. Is that too bright on the telly? Yes, a bit. I'm sure you could change this to 60 Hz on the... Yeah, you can. Not. There you go. 60 Hz, so you won't get no flashing now. Okay.
Come on over, have some fun with. It's party time. Let's have some fun.
It's got an arcade, and then now it's it's this button I want to do. That's it.
You have 10 crazy minutes.
And now it's an arcade racer. Simple as that. This must be Axel.
Right, get it on. Hey, it's time to make some crazy money. Are you ready? Here we go. You know what you're doing. Try me some beats. Go that way.
Let's pause it. Let's zoom you guys in. So now, like I say, is a... I don't know why it does that with the camera. There you go. Oh God, not away.
Go that way. Yeah, I got it.
There you go.
Thanks.
I'll just pause that. Yeah, so that's just a little quick video of how I shut the door on that. Look, so it's like, look, all, there you go. I've built this during lockdown. It's just a quick demo of how I, one side of the cradle's the arcade sticks, all your shooters, your platformers, all that kind of stuff for the Dreamcast, and then turn it around, it locks in with like little blocks, and then you can play all your racing games. And then also inside I've got chairs in the way now. Let's move that chair out of the way. Also inside I've got an NES. I think that's got a massive multi-cart in, and the Atari 2600. I thought I'd just show you that how the wheel works. I don't think I've done a video ages ago about it, but I've just done a video on the Dreamcast. I thought I'd just do that while I'm all set up. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and catch you next one. See you later.